Hello everyone, I'm Leah.
And I'm Emily.
And we're from leahgriffith.com. Today we're going to show you 15 beautiful crafts
And cute crafts
that you can make to prepare for fall. But first, let's talk about what's going on in fall trends.
We've been seeing a lot of different embroidery projects. It's all about upcycling and making things a little bit extra magic with that handmade touch.
I just love seeing embroidery on sneakers, on jeans, jackets, anything you can put embroidery on, do it.
Not only are we upcycling, but we're also foraging and introducing our nature finds into our homes and craft projects.
I think it might be time to make some painted rocks. This trend I'm absolutely loving, and that is Halloween is going neutral. Less spooky scary and more cute.
You'll notice in our collection that we were very heavily inspired by cottagecore colors, introducing fall themes with this kind of cute aesthetic.
And all the way through Halloween.
And for color palettes, we're noticing it's moving into these really delicious warm terracottas and melons. It's so beautiful in interior, and we're seeing it in a lot of clothing as well.
And these are colors that I probably wouldn't wear because they're not my color palette, but I am adding this into my bedroom. My linen sheets and duvet cover are in this color, and I just love the warmth that it's bringing to my bedroom. Our first craft follows this color trend, and it's this gorgeous pink sunflower made from crepe paper.
And this sunflower will be our member make for September, so be sure to join us to learn how to make this live.
Or you can watch the replay.
And for our next crepe paper project, we made this smoke bush out of these beautiful purple tones.
You'll remember a version of the smoke bush from our masterclass on crepe paper flower making, and I also used it for the arrangement class. The next paper flower is the snake's head fritillary. Try to say that 10 times.
And if you look close on these, you will see the incredible amount of detail that Megan put into this. I watched her sit there and draw all these little patterns with a colored pencil, and I was so impressed.
Totally worth it. And this flower is actually made from cardstock.
And for more fall foliage, Krista made these felt fern fronds in this beautiful terracotta color.
Okay, these are felt fern frond fall foliage. There we go.
Felt fern frond fall foliage.
When we were photographing this collection, I definitely wanted to try making an arrangement out of these 3 flowers, and then I added these felt fir fronds, fall fronds, felt fir, and then I added these felt ferns to make this very lush, almost vintage looking arrangement.
It's just beautiful.
A fall wreath is a must for every year, and I love this one because it brings in that gorgeous color palette that's so trending right now.
And this looks like something that you could have collected in your backyard and just thrown together. It's so beautiful. But this one is made out of cardstock, so it will last you year after year.
She added gradation on each of the leaves with pan pastels.
I adore this color combination.
This craft we introduced last year, but it was so popular that I'm actually going to do a live video teaching you how to make all of these mushrooms.
These are made from honeycomb and crepe paper, and I think they look so real. I can't wait to learn how to make these with you, so go ahead and join us for this class. And for another piece of easy home decor, we made these 6-sided paper lanterns. These are from cardstock.
And then they have the little vellum windows so that it lights up so nicely.
You can see we have our little tea light hidden under here, and it makes the perfect centerpiece or for your mantle.
If you want to make a little frameable piece of art or send someone a beautiful card, you can make some layered paper lanterns or the Luna moth.
It was so fun mixing the vellum with the cardstock, and I added a bit of colored pencil detail. I think these just came out so cute. It's one of my new favorites.
Easy to pop into a frame.
Or you can put them in an envelope and send them to a friend. And continuing with this fall whimsy theme, we also made these Luna moths that you can hang on your wall.
And these are made from cardstock and, again, that vellum paper. You can also add these onto string lights for a very playful look. And if you like to craft with felt, we have this adorable leaf and mushroom garland.
And there are some gorgeous embroidered details on this. This is a great project for beginner to intermediate embroiderers. And if you have a little practice making stuffies and you want something fun, check out this felt possum.
His little feet are out. I mean, I don't think that I've seen a possum that I wanted to cuddle as much as this one.
Agreed. And if you need a little whimsy in your hair, I've designed these moth clips, and these are perfect for beginner embroiderers.
I could also see these clipping them onto your outfit, and if you want just a little bit of costume for Halloween but not going overboard, this is perfect for that.
Speaking of Halloween costumes,
We have this little pumpkin top fascinator. I think an adult or a kid could wear this.
this is so adorable. I think it's great for a subtle costume if you want something nice and easy.
I could see wearing this with a terracotta poofy dress. Very stylish.
And for a kid's costume this year, we designed this felt gnome hat and gnome apron.
Did you say kids costume?
Yeah, it's a kid's costume.
Well, I'm actually going to make this for myself this year, so make sure and watch our social media channels to see me as a garden gnome. I mean, I think after this whole summer, spending so much time in the garden, that is the perfect costume for me.
I agree.
And to round out our whimsy Halloween, we have these adorable pig bats that you can make from felt balls.
And this will be this month's craft camp video, so you can check this out for free on YouTube and join me when I make these little felt ball bats.
Pig bats. All of the materials that we've used to make this collection you can find in our shop at feltpaperscissors.com.
And you can find all of the templates and tutorials over on leahgriffith.com.
So we hope you have a very whimsical,
And spooky season.
and we'll see you next month.
Bye.